In this video, I'm going to show you how to use adjustment presets in Photoshop, how to preview them on your image, how to customize them, and how to create your own custom presets for faster editing here. This is a super helpful feature if you want to speed up your workflow, improve your photos quickly, and keep your edits completely non-destructive. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop. First, open the image you want to edit. Once your photo is open, go up to the top menu bar and click Window, then select Adjustments. This will open the Adjustments panel on your screen. Inside this panel, you'll see the section labeled Adjustment Presets near the top. Below that, you'll also see the classic individual adjustment icons like brightness and contrast, curves, hue and saturation, and more. Now let's look at the presets themselves. Adobe organizes these presets into categories such as Portraits, Landscapes, Photo Repair, and creative or cinematic looks. These categories are designed to help you get to the right style faster, depending on the kind of image you are editing. If you're working on a portrait, for example, you may want to try a softer, flattering preset. If you are editing a landscape, you might prefer a preset that enhances color, contrast, and detail. To preview a preset, simply hover your mouse over any thumbnail inside the category. Photoshop will instantly show you a live preview of that look directly on your image canvas. This is one of the best parts of the feature because you do not have to guess what the preset will do. You can actually see the result before applying it, which makes it much easier to choose the right style for your photo. Once you find a preset you like, click the thumbnail to apply it. Photoshop will then generate the effect on your image using adjustment layers instead of permanently changing the original file. That means your edit stays flexible and you can always go back and change it later if needed. Now let's talk about customization because this is where adjustment presets become really powerful. When you apply a preset, Photoshop does not flatten or lock your image. Instead, it creates a neat folder in your Layers panel. So look over to the right side of your screen and open the Layers panel if it is not already visible. You should now see a new Layer Group folder named after the preset you selected. This folder contains all of the adjustment layers that Adobe used to build that look. Click the small arrow beside the folder to expand it. Inside, you'll usually find layers like curves, hue and saturation, color balance, or other adjustment layers that work together to create the final effect. If the preset feels too strong, you can easily reduce the overall impact by selecting the main folder and lowering the opacity slider. For example, if the preset looks a little too dramatic, try dropping the opacity to around 70%. This softens the effect while still keeping the style of the edit intact. If you want to tweak something more specific, you can double-click on the icon of an individual adjustment layer inside the folder. This opens that layer's controls in the Properties panel where you can fine-tune the sliders to better suit your image. This is perfect when you like the preset overall, but want to adjust the brightness, contrast, color tones, or saturation just a little bit. That non-destructive workflow is what makes Photoshop so powerful. You are not committing to a single fixed look. You can test different presets, compare them, lower the intensity, or customize each part until it matches your creative vision. Now let's cover a very useful pro tip, creating your own custom presets. If you build a combination of adjustment layers that you like and want to reuse again later, you can save that as your own preset in Photoshop. To do that, first arrange your custom adjustment layers neatly in the Layers panel. Make sure everything is organized the way you want it. Then go back to the Adjustments panel by selecting Window and then Adjustments if needed. In the Your Preset section, click the plus icon. Give your preset a clear name, choose which layers you want included, and then save it. After that, your custom preset will be stored permanently at the top of the panel, ready for one-click access on future projects. This can save a massive amount of time if you often edit photos in a similar style or if you want to keep your brand look consistent across multiple images. So that's how to use adjustment presets in Photoshop, preview them live, tweak them for better results, and even create your own reusable presets. It is a simple feature, but once you understand it, it can completely speed up your editing workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.